There seems to be quite a few of these cottages that are in this state. Several over there, even, well, not the ones, there's a few that where we are that are fine. I don't know what the situation is. I learned later that apparently because this resort is set farther from the main beaches and walking street, during COVID, the resort was essentially abandoned for almost 2 years. The cabins fell into a state of disrepair, the thatch roofs leaked and destroyed many of the cabins. I wonder if the resort has changed hands. And they're just in the process of rebuilding. Again, we're on our way down for breakfast, and for the first time, so we'll see how that is. Yes, even the path, the walking. I mean, you have all these little cottages here, and those are all occupied. But the path, you have to be very careful, especially at night. There's some light, but yeah, it would be. You have to be careful where you walk. There are no standards. No one knows the right height to put a stair. They just do what they want. Just like the vanity in the bathroom is like about 40 inches high. I have no idea who in their right mind would have put the vanity up that high, but it's brushing your teeth is an adventure. So this is the breakfast area? Yeah. Beautiful. Well, breakfast is here. I gotta say, breakfast is a pretty nice surprise. I got I guess the number 5 at English breakfast: bacon, eggs, toast, coffee, fruit, and Katai got the number 1, which comes with rice porridge or so forth. And yeah, orange juice, coffee, pretty good.
Lipe and glass. See. Sawadee-kap. I never thought I'd sleep good. I thought I was going to get to bed.
Lance says he slept well. We all slept well. Of course, all of us on our trip here took a long time. You know, they were 12 hours on the bus. You don't sleep too well on the bus. Even us, although we flew, for some reason at the hotel we didn't sleep that well, but we're here. This is our first day. Everyone's having breakfast. We're going to be heading out on the kayak soon and going to fly the drone and take a look at the island. Everybody say hello. So we got Maui Howie's videos and CJ in Paradise, and of course, you know, me. Remember, don't give up. They call it the Maldives of Thailand for the similarity of the water. Beautiful blue, green, and crystal clear. That has the 25% of the world's exotic fish. The island has 3 significant beaches. Sunset Beach, Sunrise Beach, also where you can hire long boats for daily excursion, and Pattaya Beach, where you will find the main staging area for the speedboat ferries that go back and forth to the mainland. Also, there is one more called the Lost Beach. So our first day in Lipe is coming to a close. We just finished having supper. I'm sitting at a dive place right now, going through the paperwork. I'm thinking I'm going to go for a dive in a couple of days. We'll see how it works out. I do have a little medical questionnaire that needs to be sorted, so there's a small possibility that I won't be allowed to, but in the meantime, I'm waiting for a call back from my doctor, and if he says go ahead, I'll be doing some scuba diving in a couple of days. I was an ACUC certified diver a long time ago, but again, that was a long time ago, and I haven't dove for 15 years. So, at any rate, again, second day Lipe. Well, the news is no. We contacted my doctor in Chiang Mai, and he sent a message saying, sorry, no deep diving, no scuba diving. So, we're on the beach, and we're about to be entertained with fire. That looks like a fancy drink. That looks like a fancy drink. This is Thailand. Remember, until next time, don't give up.